Welcome to the IM2 video lecture covering the Unit 4 test review sheet solution. Here we have question 15. It says to find the length and the width of the rectangle. Okay, this is the rectangle for the first one. So I'm just going to bring it over here. The area here is going to be defined by this equation. All right. So there is going to be a length and a width. So there's going to be a length here that's going to be multiplied by the width. Okay. If we do it, it's going to get us this area. So the way it works is that we're going to have a length times the width, and it's going to get you this area. Okay. The area that we know is x squared plus 8x plus 15. So we just need these two. So this we need to factor. Okay. And to do this, we are going to use our friend, the diamond method. All right. So let's do that. So we have this problem, and let's just do our diamond method here. All right. So A was equal to 1, B was equal to 8, and C was equal to 15. Put in their diamond. B is equal to 8, C is equal to 15. Two numbers that multiply to 15 that adds up to 8. It would be the number, I think, 5 and 3. 5 times 3 gets us 15, and 5 plus 3 gets us 8. So P is equal to 5, and Q is equal to 8. So here it would be x plus 5 and x plus 3 are your factors. If you plug it in here, we can just plug it back in here. The length was x plus 5, and the width here was x plus 3. There you go. The length, if you want to see, was equal to this, and the width was equal to this. If you multiply together, that gets you this area. Okay? All right. So there you go. This would be your complete solution. You can call this 5 times x is the length times the width, which is x plus 3. All right. So it's the same process for B. Okay. Again, this would be the area. And like I said, we need to know the length times the width, and that's going to get us the area. So we want to find this factor times this factor. It's going to get us this area of x squared plus 8x minus 20. Okay. And again, like what we did, we are going to factor using our trusted diamond method. All right. Okay, we're going to trust our diamond method here. All right. Okay, so let's do that. Okay, so let me just move it over a bit here to give us room. Okay, all right. So let's factor it. We are going to be factoring this out. All right. So, oh, we could do it on the side right here if we want. We could do it right here on the side. Okay. So A is equal to 1, B equals to 8, and C equals to negative 20. Put it in the diamond. The B here is equals to 8, and the C here equals to negative 20. All right. What we can do here is we want to find two numbers that multiply to negative 20 that adds up to 8. 20, I think it's 1 times 20, 2 times 10, 4 times 5. Ooh, I could make 8 using right here, 2 and 10 somehow. Okay. And one of them is a negative. Okay, I know what I'm going to do. I'm going to do 10 times negative 2. Right? That gets me my negative 20. So that works. Now I'm going to add it. So 10 plus negative 2. Yes, that gets me my 8. So that's correct. Okay. So my P here is equal to 10, and my Q here is going to equal to negative 2. So my factors would be x plus 10 and x minus 2 are my factors. All right. If I want to know my length and my width, I just plug it in. So my length is x plus 10 and my width is x minus 2. There you go. That is the length, that is the width. Okay? That is everything that you need to do when it comes to finding the length and the width of a rectangle for question 15.